Ready to launch your own Memecoin and ride the crypto wave? Blum Memepad makes it surprisingly simple, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Blum Memepad website. The link's in the description. Click on the Create Token button to kickstart your Memecoin journey. Now for the fun part, defining your tokenomics. Choose a catchy name, a memorable symbol, and decide on the total supply. Think carefully about scarcity and potential growth here. Next, Blum Memepad will show you the estimated gas fees for deploying your smart contract on different blockchains. Choose the network that best suits your budget and needs. Deploying your smart contract is the final step in creation. Just follow the prompts, confirm the transaction, and your Memecoin is officially born. But the creation is just the beginning. Now you need to get the word out. Use social media to build hype, target crypto communities with engaging content, and always focus on growing a loyal base. Remember, community is key. Engage with your holders, listen to feedback, and build a strong narrative around your Memecoin. Good luck, and let's see your Memecoin reach the moon.